Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you some of the foods that I fed my baby from 4 to 5 months. So we decided to start weaning our baby at 4 months, 2 weeks, just to prepare him for weaning at 6 months. And we started with pureed fruits and vegetables. So if you're looking to start weaning your baby to prepare him early, or just because he's not getting enough breast milk, then this is the right place for you. So if you like the video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I'd love you to subscribe and stick around. So let's do this.
Ahora
So next I'm going to share with you some of the feeding must-haves or the essentials that you'll need when you start feeding your baby the pureed foods. So the first, you will be needing bibs. Second, you will be needing spoons for feeding the baby. You will also need bowls. Yeah. You will also need feeding cups, these ones. Feeding cups. And you will also need a blender. Yeah. So if you can't get a blender, make sure that if you are feeding your baby between 4 to 5 months, you make sure that the foods are very smooth so that you can avoid the baby being choked by the food. Other thing is you need a high chair, which is optional, and also sufrias for boiling foods that needs to be boiled. So I hope this video was helpful and it can give you some insight on what to feed your baby before 6 months. And I will be sharing with you some of the foods that we are feeding our baby now that he is 6 months. So bye guys, and remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new here. See you in the next video.